When you start off, there's something inside you telling you to do it. And it comes because you have a heart and an eye. And the courage to stand up against those forces, and there are plenty of them, believe me, that do not wish to see people free. Human rights, it's not a job, it's a conviction. The first place where you feel close is your own country and your own place. In Pakistan, I realized the work that a human rights activist does has to be very much to be based not just on emotions and heart, but also on solid research. When you have done your homework and you say, this is the name, this is the place, this is how it happened, how do you explain that? Then we can look them in the eye and say, we are not exaggerating, we are not sensationalizing. What you have done is grave human rights violation. And you say it, people know when you say it with conviction. They know it. I've used the law as an instrument and I've used the courts, but I've been on the streets as well. I've been in protest marches, I've been to prison, I've been in the house arrest. So for each issue and for each incident, there has to be a thought-out strategy. Justice is a rare commodity in our part of the world. Very rare. But sometimes even shouting for justice gives you some satisfaction that you're being heard. And you must be heard. You knock, and you knock, and you knock, and you knock, and you knock. And one day they are going to hear. Maybe I'm superstitious. I almost get killed. And not only myself, a lot of people have said this to me. Maybe because you've done so much work for so many people who were voiceless, and then somebody may have said a prayer for you, which is saving you. You are touched by people's lives, you touch people's lives, and carry on with conviction in what you're doing. Otherwise, there's no other reason for me to be sitting here, honestly. My name is Asma Jahangir. I'm a human rights activist and a lawyer from Pakistan, and I'm a Right Livelihood Award winner.